Peace, world. Let's get right to it. Welcome to the Struggle Cafe, where the struggle is real, but the food is realer. I'm your struggle chef, aka Chef Strugle, your guide on this culinary journey. Now, let's get one thing straight. This ain't some old high fancy cooking show, nah. It's a small channel with big dreams, and yeah, we got some recipes that didn't exactly make the cut, but hey, when we hit it right, we hit it right. And here at the Struggle Cafe, we embrace the journey, the good, the bad, like this turkey burger that was rougher in the 80s. Man, we got it all. I'm just a regular guy with passion for cooking, trying to bring good food to the table and have some fun along the way. From mouth-watering barbecue like this lamb to these struggle wings that were struggling to even look good, but they tasted all right. So if you're in the home cooking, love a good laugh, don't mind a little chaos in the kitchen, man, hit that subscribe button. Let's grow this channel together, one delicious struggle at a time. Hey, on this channel, every dish has a story and every story has a dish. So stop on by, let's cook something amazing. This is my journey. This is my world. This is my struggle. The Struggle Cafe, y'all. Let's work.